Most everyone can benefit from improving their Microsoft Office skills. Do you use Microsoft Office Word, Excel, or Access? Do you want to work faster with less stress? Do you want to gain skills in the world's most popular productivity applications? And do you want to learn anytime and at your own pace? Then you are going to get a lot out of this course. Hi, I'm Isabel, and I have designed clear and thorough videos to answer questions that you have about Word, Excel, and Access. And there is plenty of free downloadable material. I am here to help you build confidence in Word, Excel, and in Access. This isn't a course about Office data entry, but how to get the most out of the features of each application. This course is a healthy mix of step-by-step lectures, articles, and a few animated GIFs, with plenty of resources and all the documents, workbooks, and the database here in the course for hands-on learning. So, if you want to get more out of Microsoft Office, be more productive, and learn from a pro, this is your course. And with 11 plus hours of learning and over 200 lectures, you have nothing to lose and only plenty of Office skills to gain.